Welcome to the TP-879 Thermal Printer Basic Guide. Let's take a quick look at how to set it up and get started. This is the charging port, and you can charge the printer using a Type-C cable. This is the power button, and this is the self-test button. To open the transparent cover for the label compartment, press and push both side panels like this. Inside, you will find the print head and the paper holder. The paper holder is easy to open. It has two adjustment plates, one is fixed and the other is removable. This is the inner side of the removable plate, and this is the outer side. Place a label roll inside. Then close the removable plate securely in the correct position. Make sure the label paper is aligned with the printhead side. When putting the paper holder back, ensure the fixed side is on the right side of the printer and the removable side is on the left. Position the paper holder correctly towards the printhead. Set the label like this and close the transparent panel. Your printer is now ready to use. Press the power button to turn it on. The green LED will light up, indicating the printer is powered on. If the label is not positioned properly, the red LED will light up. Simply adjust the label, close the cover securely, and you're ready to print.